tofu and beans, y'all.
Pour some coconut oil into the frying pan and add some onions. When the onions are nice and funky, add a brick of chopped up tofu. This one is unseasoned and of the firmer type. Cook them a bit, and when the tofu is getting a bit brown, add plenty of soy sauce. Let it cook for a minute and add the beans. And about 2 minutes later, some sweet corn. I actually had corn on the cob, so I didn't open up a can of corn, but cut off the corn from the cob. I simply love freshly cooked corn. Give it some oat milk. And some soy sauce, just to stay on the funky side. In about a minute or two, get some ground up flax seeds and sprinkle the mix with that. This will hold the whole thing together and make that sauce nice and creamy. Not to mention the omega-3 fatty acids lurking in the flax. To give the whole thing a sweet touch, add some dried goji berries. Then proceed to sweeten it up a bit more by adding raisins. Dear Lord, this is going to be heavenly. Finally, add a handful or two of peanuts for that satisfying crunch. You can eat this with whatever garnish you prefer. It blends well with anything practically. Scoop out the yumminess onto a plate and enjoy, my friends.